Rap à la BDX.
The Daily BDX.
Hey friends, today is a cool day because of two reasons. At first, I just received the cool new book by Andre Jocelyn. Thanks DHL, the DHL man was here right before. And the second thing is we gonna make raps tonight, and it will be raps a la BDX, but later to this. At first, I want to get you some short insights about the YouTube statistics, because I was wondering all the time, is it worth it to do the stuff in vertical, or should I do it in horizontal, the video? And the statistics are right, they don't lie. If you look where the people come from, let me do this on manual. Yeah, here we are. If you look where the people come from device type, more than 60% are watching on the phone. So that keeps me pretty happy about how I'm doing the videos, that I'm doing them in vertical. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy that I'm doing it in vertical, even if it's a challenge and it's not the easiest thing. But tell me how you like it. If you like it more in vertical or in horizontal, just let me know and maybe I change my mind. But let's go now to the rap cooking session. Ingredient of rap sauce, instant rice by Uncle Ben's. Whoop, fuck. And we need some salsa sauce. Which one is the best? Homemade salsa sauce. We need cheese, we need a lot of cheese. We need peppers, we need lettuce, we need cucumbers, we need tomatoes, we need sour creams, the finest sour cream by Milram. We need Uncle Ben's express rice. We need even more tomatoes. We need an onion. We need homemade chili con carne fix from Knorr. You also could do it by yourself. We need wraps, tortillas, and we need tortilla chips. So that's it. And not to forget, we need ground meat. Okay, next step is put everything together in the pan and make it hot so that it gets brown, golden and delicious. Next thing is tomatoes. So to sum it up again, we have ground meat, we have tomatoes, we have peppers, we have onion, and the next thing will be the express rice. Here comes the rice. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Now I'm inserting a little bit of the chili con carne flavor, but not the whole, just a little bit. Another flavor I am adding to all dishes I'm doing. It's Bratkartoffelgewürz and some hot sauce. One short joke, because we're talking about Mexican food. How many Mexicans do you need to change a light bulb? Only one. So now we need to heat the oven. Make the wraps a little bit hot. So now the tortilla is hot and you can squeeze it, and we're almost ready, so you just have to give all the flavors together and then you have a BDX wrap. Okay, let's start with this. don't make it too full. They are very heavy and
Already too much.
already too much. Cheese. Some more cheese. And all the good flavors from Mother Nature. Okay, almost done. Sour cream. And now my internship as a kebab guy pays off. I can roll out like a real Turkish man. That's it, wrap a la BDX. If you liked it and if you cooked it, write me in the comments, and bon appetit, see you tomorrow.